Are you someone who's experiencing dry, flaky hands due to constant washing and sanitizing throughout this pandemic? Do not fear, Glojas has a solution for you. So here are some steps that you can take to avoid having dry and flaky skin due to the constant washing or sanitizing. Step 1. After washing your hands, it is important to dry your hands thoroughly using a paper towel. Step 2. It is important then to moisturize your hand adequately. You may also moisturize as and when you feel that your hands are dry. You can moisturize every 2 to 3 hours. Step 3. It is important to use a hand scrub to exfoliate your skin. This can be done 2 to 3 times a week. It will then leave your skin soft and supple. Step 4. It is essential to use the SPF 30 sunscreen for your hands. This is important to prevent further aging. Lastly, it's important to protect your hands by using a pair of gloves when you are exposed to hazards such as harsh detergents. So I hope these tips would help you restore the soft and supple skin throughout this pandemic. Always remember, Glojas brings out the best in you.